learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Guoxing Township is one of the biggest Hakka villages in Nantou, with more than 75% of its people being of Hakka descent. The town gained its name from Zhengzhang Gong, also known as Guoxinga, a man who reclaimed the land from Dutch colonists. Every year, the Hakka people celebrate the Zhengzhang Gong Cultural Festival as a way to celebrate Guoxinga and Hakka culture. One of Guoxing's famous landmarks is the Nuomi Bridge in Beigang Village. The four-arch stone bridge was built in 1940. Glutinous rice, brown sugar, and limestone were mixed together to create the cement to hold the bridge together, hence its name, Nuomi, or Glutinous Rice Bridge. The bridge is held up in several major natural disasters and is the only national bridge monument in Taiwan.
Yo, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林泽修 Joseph Lin. With Leo, we're going to introduce you to more of the Hakka culture and maybe events and places to go. And today, I wonder where and what Leo's going to talk about.
我们来去南投县桂乡庆成功发通。
对，国姓乡这边有一个活动嘛。
对啊，就是每年都会举办的国姓抢成功活动。
Right, okay. This is the 抢成功 Cultural Fest that takes place in Nantou County's 国姓 Township.
南投县桂乡乡
okay, that is 国姓 Township. And 国姓 actually means, refers to a very famous general, 郑成功嘛。
对啊，
right.
就是国姓爷。
国姓爷, yeah, he's the one that reclaimed the land from the Dutch colonists, hundreds and hundreds of years ago. And now there's a cultural fest based on that. But there's got to be other things to do. 请问国姓乡这边可能还有其他地方可以去吧？
有啊，我们来去那个北港村的糯米条。
糯米的做的东西是不是？
对啊，
要带我去吃东西了，
吃东西是不是？
对，
并不能吃啊，那是古迹啊，你吃了你就完蛋了你。
是什么东西啊？
糯米条，它是用石头，但是它粘合的成分是用糯米啊，还有加那个梧桐，还有加沙粉，去把它粘结在一起的。
Oh, wow, that's very cool. Okay, this bridge is actually made from a mix of glutinous rice, brown sugar, limestone. They're all mixed to create the cement. It's called the Glutinous Rice Bridge. 糯米桥 And this is all happening at 南投县的国姓乡。
南投县桂乡乡。
And go check out the festival as well while you're at it. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
送大家
俺只say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.